The Audi Q7 that originally cost $1.3 million when new was picked up for just $8,000. From the outside, it does not look too bad, but I know very well that mechanically, it is full of hidden problems. Now the question is whether this is a great bargain or a bad deal. After the full restoration, the final value will be decided by you. The exterior and interior have been fully stripped. Next, the mechanical components are disassembled and inspected to fix all existing issues. The bolts could not be removed at all, so they were all sent for special treatment. Finally, the V85 engine was separated. Start the engine disassembly. Old cars usually suffer from oil leaks and water leaks, and this time we will solve all of these problems in one go. An engine this filthy is extremely rare. It is hard to imagine how poorly the previous owner treated it. This is clearly another case of careless work by a former mechanic. 4 bolts were supposed to be removed, but 7 came out instead. The screws were completely chaotic. The engine has been fully disassembled and the damaged parts have been counted. The timing chain guide is confirmed to be broken. The main bearings show slight scoring. The pistons have heavy carbon buildup on all 3 rings. All components are ultrasonically cleaned. Original factory parts are ordered. Engine assembly then begins. Torque all critical bolts using the specified standard tightening force according to factory specifications. Replace the valve stem seals to completely eliminate oil burning. Engine assembly complete. Refurbish the air intake. The clay, which I've been indulging in for over a decade, has completely dried. After cleaning is completed, we begin reassembly. You're also planning to test the water by adjusting the suspension. All right, I'll keep it clean and simple. Chassis sandblasting treatment removes rust and grease, making all parts look brand new. Final rust-proofing spray. Rust-proof diamond paint ensures anti-rust protection. Refurbishment completed. Start assembly. Airborne floating. Internally sealed. Start body repaint. After sanding the front body and cleaning off oil and dust, spray BASF water-based coating. All car seats refurbished. Looking forward to the final result. Carpets and interior cleaned to remove odors. After chassis cleaning, spray painted chassis. Chassis and engine rotation. The complete vehicle restoration is finished. Please enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.